Popularized by Tony Buzan, a mind map is a thinking technique used to visually organize information. It is a creative and logical way of organizing thoughts and ideas in your mind through a diagram. A mind map is a tool for the brain that captures the thinking that goes on inside your head. Mind mapping helps you think, collect knowledge, remember and create ideas. Most likely, it will make you a better thinker. A mind map is a diagram for representing tasks, words, concepts, or items linked to and arranged around a central concept or subject using a nonlinear graphical layout that allows the user to build an intuitive framework around a central concept. A mind map can turn a long list of monotonous information into a colorful, memorable, and highly organized diagram that works in line with your brain's natural way of doing things. Here are some of the descriptors per quadrant. Mind mapping is a highly effective way of getting information in and out of your brain. Mind mapping is a creative and logical means of note-taking and note-making that literally maps out your ideas. All mind maps have some things in common. They have a natural organizational structure that radiates from the center and use lines, symbols, words, color and images according to simple, brain-friendly concepts. Mind mapping converts a long list of monotonous information into a colorful, memorable and highly organized diagram that works in line with your brain's natural way of doing things. Mind maps can be created in many different ways, but they share the same basics. How to make a mind map. Think of your general main theme and write that down in the center of the page, such as birthday, food, etc. Figure out sub-themes of your main concept and draw branches to them from the center, beginning to look like a spider web, i.e. meats, dairy, bread. Make sure to use very short phrases or even single words. Add images to invoke thought or get the message across better. Try to think of at least 2 main points for each sub-theme you created and create branches out to those.